So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this site www.gigabyte.com, and then right hand side you can see search tab. Click on that and then enter your motherboard model number B760M DS3H WIFI6E generations 5. Then hit enter. Wait few seconds to open the page. Then click to product and then click on title of your motherboard name. Then click to support. So select operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using Windows 10, because I am making Windows 11, so no worry, because installation process is just select your operating system. After that, just follow this video and install the driver. So audio driver, this side, and just click to download on icon. If you get after that, it will start downloading the downloaded box. So it will totally depend about your internet, because if your internet is working well, so it download very fast. Then it is done, just open, and this is extracted or driver. So this is, you can see, this is exe. Just double click to launch. After that, it will start downloading. Then click yes. Well, it is now, as you can see, this is installing drive. Wait few seconds, it will complete, and then you can close it. Then closed. Chipset Intel in INF, and click to download. It's done, and just open it. Just double click to exe and then click to yes. Then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, click to download. Then open the LAN driver. Double click. Then click yes. Now this is extracting the driver. Now installing. So wait few seconds to complete. It will close automatically, means that is installed. Okay, then close it. So that is done, and then close it. VGA driver. So you can see this is Intel VGA driver, and click to download. You can see start downloading. So wait few seconds. So it is download, just open. This is graphic card, you can see this is extracted driver. So then open exe. then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system to install the driver.
Wow.
Now this is installing the graphic driver, so wait few seconds, it will install, and after that close automatically means this is installed. Then closed this time. Bluetooth, install Bluetooth driver and download. Then just open, single click to open, then double click to run. Yes. And then close it. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. See Intel Wi-Fi driver, click to download. Always try to latest. After download, just open, double click to run for installing. Click to yes. Wi-Fi Intel, install Intel Wi-Fi. Okay, it is done and closed.